Hey everyone, welcome back. John here, and today we're going to talk about how to use BikeFlights to safely ship e-bikes. Let's dive in. To clarify, by e-bikes or electric bikes, we're not talking about scooters or motos. E-bikes are basically standard bicycles, but with an integrated lithium-ion battery. Shipping an e-bike is pretty similar to shipping a standard bike, but there are a few really important differences. The most obvious difference is the presence of a battery. Lithium-ion batteries that power e-bikes are dangerous if they're damaged because they can catch fire or explode. Despite this, there's a special battery-powered vehicle classification that allows you to ship a single e-bike as long as the battery is fully functioning and is either contained within the bike's frame or installed on the bike. BikeFlight's e-bike shipping service is available anywhere in the lower 48 states. Shipping e-bikes is also different from shipping standard bikes due to their increased size and weight. E-bikes can be 2, even 3 times heavier than non-electric bikes. Due to their internal wiring, most e-bikes can't be easily disassembled. That's why we recommend using a larger, sturdier bike box or case when shipping an e-bike. Our BikeFlight's Bike Box Large is rated for e-bikes, but you can always source something similar through your local bike shop or double up boxes for extra rigidity. Before shipping your e-bike, lower the battery's charge to less than 30%. Power off your battery, remove any keys, and confirm that your battery can't accidentally turn on during transit. Use extra dense foam padding and secure it into place to protect your e-bike's frame and battery. Pack your bike into a large, durable box. Remove or completely cover all bulk shipping hazmat markings. Even though these stickers are required when manufacturers ship multiple e-bikes together, you don't need them to ship a single e-bike. In fact, if you don't remove these stickers, your e-bike could incorrectly be treated as a hazmat shipment, which means it may be stopped, or, worst case scenario, tagged for disposal. If your e-bike shipment weighs over 70 pounds, apply a heavy package sticker to alert carrier drivers and staff that special care should be taken when handling. When your box is padded, packed, labeled, and ready to ship, schedule a pickup or drop off your e-bike shipment at a UPS customer center. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in and happy riding. We'll see you next time.